Our organisation is the only organisation focused on advancing tobacco-free finance. And by that, I mean we work with big financial institutions all across the world and ask them to join us, join health leaders, join governments and join tobacco control advocates all around the world in being part of the solution to tobacco.
It's a social justice issue. It's an issue of fundamental rights because the tobacco industry increasingly preys on our poorest citizens, our children. That's their recruitment market.
One tobacco executive famously said that young people are the replacement smokers for the 50% of cigarette smokers who will die from using the product.
All the progress that's been made in the last 60 years in reducing tobacco consumption is in jeopardy right now.
It's not new that they claim that they're reformed and they're producing products that reduce harm. They have done it since the 1960s.
How can you be environmentally responsible, socially responsible, concerned about governance issues when the product you make is by definition going to kill half of the people who use it?
Our area of focus for 2021 is the same as our area of focus back in 2009 when the FDA here failed to ban the sale of methylated tobacco products. If you were to completely remove menthol, remove mentholated tobacco products from the marketplace, this would be the beginning of the end of tobacco as we know it.
There's a public perception that commercial tobacco is no longer a public health problem, that it's been a public health success, and it's become less visible and therefore has not received the resources that it should. So we do encourage other funders to think about how they can reduce the toll of commercial tobacco.
If you talk about impact investing, if you're investing in reducing tobacco use, you are having a tremendous impact, and you're also, most importantly, you're saving lives.
At tobacco-free portfolios, when we work with foundations, absolutely we invite them to consider supporting this great suite of tobacco control projects and initiatives that you've just heard about today. But secondly, we ask them to ensure that their own investments in the foundation are tobacco-free.
And even if it's not in their programming portfolio, the work that you all do in terms of getting helping foundations understand how to divest, I think is so important.